Hi everybody, welcome to Gems and Jewels. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Everybody that's been following my videos, thank you so much for your loyalty. This project is for a young grandma, or maybe you could make this for your grandma. I found this at the Goodwill for $2.50. My G babies, I have two G babies and they call me Nona. I'm Italian. That means grandma in Italian if you didn't know. And I really love the Glam-ma though. I think it's adorable. So this crown was originally 20 bucks. You can get them online. Like I said, I found mine for $2.50 at the Goodwill. And I thought, wouldn't it be cute to do something with Glam-ma? So what I first initially did with it's black. I took bling wrap and I covered it all up and it was pretty blah. So I took a bunch of gemstones, iridescent ones on the outside, clear gem diamonds in sequence, and then in the inside of it, those are all diamond gems as well. Everything's in the description box. Basically, I hot glued everything on here just to glam it up. And then I've got two teardrop diamonds and a square diamond on the top of it. And then going towards the middle, these are diamond fillers, and I alternated every other. And then in the inside of it, I think it was like a candle holder. It looked like it had a circular thing. I don't know how you'd fit a candle in there, but it was circular in the bottom. So I just hot glued a bunch of diamond fillers on the bottom and basically tried to fill up everything I could so it'd be a little more glamorous. So basically I just found, I alternated, like I said, big round iridescent gems, and I just alternated. You can do whatever you wish, but that's what I did here. And this is a prime example of how you can take something that's blah and turn it into something beautiful with gems. This was a pretty inexpensive thing to do, not to mention pretty easy. So as I stated previous, if you made something like this for your grandma, she would love it, especially if she's young. I was a young grandma, so it was completely fitting, and I love this idea. So to add to the entire glam idea, I took 4 of the Walmart mirrors, and then I hot glued those together. Here I'm taking a piece of bling wrap and I'm going across that space because there's a pretty big gap there. So I hot glued that on. So this is what the silver diamond confettis look like. If you've never used them before, they're absolutely fabulous. I get them from Hobby Lobby. So I just went across the bling wrap. So for this, I just went on the computer and typed in the Glam-ma, and then I printed it off. And then I hot glued it on my box. For placement purposes, I put the crown in the middle on the top of it and deciphered for my taste. I liked 7 of these rows of diamond wrap, and I hot glued those onto the top of my box. So there's 7 rows of bling wrap on each side of the box. And there's the diamond confettis, 2 rows of bling wrap across the saying. And then these are some gems that I added in miscellaneous places. In the word Glam-ma, I took a Sharpie to it. And then some of the O's, I added little diamonds just to glam it up some. And then with the grandma, I did the Sharpie and a couple jewels again. So this is what it looks like when it's assembled. I'm just going to Velcro it on there. Please excuse my mess. I'm in the process of moving, so I have stuff all over the place. But anyways, this is what it looks like on my table. And then I'm just going to throw it on a top shelf. I hope you enjoyed this project. I can't thank you enough for tuning in, and please subscribe. Thank you guys. I hope you like this. This is something I think that your grandma would think was really cute should you decide to make her one.